Extracting data from Jira involves retrieving information from Jira issues, projects, or reports for analysis or reporting purposes. Here's how to extract data from Jira. Log into Jira. Access your Jira account with the necessary permissions to view or export data. Navigate to the Issue Navigator. Click on the Issues tab in the top menu and select Search for Issues. This opens the Issue Navigator where you can search and filter issues. Filter issues. Use basic or advanced search to filter issues according to your criteria. Advanced search with JQL allows for more refined queries. Select Issues for export. Once you have the desired list of issues, click on the Export button, typically located at the top right of the Issue Navigator. Choose Export Format. Select the format you wish to export the data to. Options often include Excel, XML, or PDF. Choose Export to Excel for detailed data and Export to XML for raw data formats. Download the data. After selecting the export format, Jira will generate a file. Save or download the file to your computer. Review and analyze. Open the exported file in the appropriate application to review and analyze the data.